Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to paint this goldfish in watercolor. Starting from background and first using masking fluid to cover the outline of goldfish. The reason I did this because I will sprinkle salt on the background to create bloom. However, color with melted salt have strong diffusion tension. If I paint background later, or without covered masking fluid, the color of background may spread and damaging to main subject that will paint. Here is the background of field painting I did. Now, wet the paper with clean water and make the background. Using brush apply saturated color to very wet paper will produce a good color blending effect. Before making the final painting, you can test the background color on other papers to check which ones you like and looks good together. Here I use yellow ochre and mineral bayonet to create a model background, because I will paint a goldfish with red apple. I think these three colors will look harmonious together. Wait half a minute after applying the color and sprinkle with salt to produce a better bloom effect. The salty background color will produce special water splashes after drying, which takes a little time. The water splashes match the fish very well. After moving the dried masking fluid, I get a defined white paper for painting the fish. I start by laying down the big color base for the fish. Since the main light comes from above, the lower part of the fish's body is in dark shadows. While this step, I use wet on wet technique. I use burnt sienna and taro rose to paint the shadow of the head, and some purple and ultramarine for the dark part of the body. By painting light and dark parts, the three-dimensional sense of the fish is expressed. Now I re-wet the paper and paint the red apple on the fish. The main color of the red apple are vermilion, brilliant red, shade part have burnt umber, violet, and magenta. When painting dapple, the perspective direction of the dapple can help to express the three-dimensional perspective of the fish. Further darkening of detail to enhance the three-dimensional. For the basic color of fins, use diluted pigments to get transparency. Then use wet on wet and dry on wet technique, painting the triple on the fins. Also notice the direction of triples will express the fin gently swing in the water. Finally, I use violet and burnt umber mixed to get a night gray, outline the scale armor and the texture of the fins. In order to distinguish the fish from the background, I also use the same gray to outline the fish. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helpful. It would be grateful if you subscribe my channel and leave me a like. Your support is really helping me keeping bringing you new and free watercolor instruction like this.